Most people are doing push-ups completely wrong, and it's wrecking their shoulders, elbows, and lower back. Think you're doing them right? Let's find out, because if your form's off by even a few inches, you're not building strength. You're just building bad habits. Here's the truth. Push-ups look simple, but 80% of people mess them up. Hips sagging like a hammock, elbows flaring out like chicken wings, hands too wide. Sound familiar? These mistakes don't just waste effort, they cause pain. But the good news? Fixing them can double your strength and stability almost instantly. So, what's the secret to a perfect push-up? I'll show you. But first, let's break down what your body should actually be doing from head to toe. Start with your hands directly under your shoulders, like you're about to push the floor away from you, not collapse into it. Your elbows? Aim for a 45-degree angle from your sides. Not tucked in like a robot, not flared out like a bird, just right in between. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. No mountain peaks, no valleys. Engage your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. But here's the part most trainers don't tell you. It's your shoulder blades that control everything. Think of your scapula, the flat bones on your back, as the foundation of a house. If they're unstable, everything above crumbles. When lowering down, let them slightly retract. Move together. When pushing up, protract. Spread them apart and feel that upper back engagement. That's true shoulder stability. Avoid the myth that more reps equals better. 10 perfect push-ups with full control beat 50 sloppy ones any day. Control the tempo, feel every inch of movement, and you'll transform your chest, shoulders, and core far faster. So here's your challenge. Drop down right now and do 10 perfect push-ups. Hands under shoulders, elbows at 45 degrees, core tight, scapula stable. Feel the difference? That's real strength. Keep practicing this form daily, and in just a week, you'll not only look stronger, you'll move better. Stay consistent, stay mindful, and push your limits the right way.